In this video, we will learn how we can hack any website using the Python script. Make sure this video is for educational purpose. Okay. So this is my website here, sorrow.github.io, dummy website. Okay. And here you see the login, username and password. Let me just try some admin and the password. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just try login, valid. So I don't know the password. So how to know the password? Okay. So the first thing is that to know the password, we should apply here the multiple passwords. Okay. So suppose we all know that we can have the 1, 2, 3, 4, welcome or something like that. Okay. So, but if I will apply all these passwords manually, so it will take a lot of time, maybe the days or years. Okay. So let's try to create a process where our program will automatically test the password in this website. So when the password is correct, then that program will tell us this is the password. Okay. So let me just write a program for this. At the last, I'll give you one assignment. Okay. So let's open that code. You can see what I've done. I'll write one simple Python program and I'm using here Selenium. Okay. I'll give you that whole code in the description or in the file. You can get it. Okay. Now in that code, what I have done, I have written some lines is like just a 50-60 line of code. And in that, I just use here this Selenium and I have installed the web drivers. So I'll give you that code. You just need to paste that and save that file as a py, as a Python. Okay. And then run this. Make sure before run this program, you need to install some libraries. And the main libraries like WebDriver Manager and Selenium you need to install. I'll give you the command for this also in the description. Okay. Now, what I have done here, as you can see, first we need to put here the URL. Suppose you have a one website, so you need to put the URL of that website. You can see www.index.html. This is my main website URL. Okay. So whenever I open this website, so that will look like this. So as you can see here, this page is username and password. So we all know that the username is common in everywhere mostly. So I use here the admin as a username. Okay. This is my default. This is the admin I have used. And you can see I have a password list. So I just use here the 6 to 7 password. You can use here 1,000 of passwords here. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let me just run this and let's see which password is correct. Okay. Now let me just try to run this program and wait some seconds. Okay, automatically window is open and automatically admin and the password is trying. Okay, let's see. Let me show you. You can see the try is the password 12 failed, admin 123 failed, 456 is also failed. Okay, you can see still he is trying. This program is trying to put the password again and again, trying password 123. And this is failed and he can see success, password found, password 123. He can see the welcome to the protected page, right? Now let me just close this window. Let's enter this, close that window. Let me open the browser here and we know the username is admin and the password is password 123. Okay, and let me just click on login. Fantastic, welcome to the protected page. Cool. Now what I'll do here, I'll give you that link again, okay, in the description. I'll change the password and this is your assignment to write that script. Okay, I'll just add here the similar password. What you need to do, you need to add the combinations of password. I'll add here the similar password like this. Okay, and I'll change the password in the main file and you should try what that password is and then comment the right password.
If you want to know about other websites, so just open my channel and just search here this word and get to know about this website also, how you can get a password of that website.
So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. We say bye bye.